Jai Srimannarayana. 45th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adruštapurvam hrushitosmi društva bhayena cha प्रव्यधितं मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास। ओम। Be gladdened that you have learned details about Sri Krishna Paramatma's universal form, which has never been seen by anyone in this entire creation. Now, ask Sri Krishna Paramatma to show you his most pleasant form so that your mind can be always at peace and be connected to that form, and you can be devoted to Sri Krishna Paramatma forever. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I am gladdened that I have learned so many details about your divine universal form, which has never been seen by anyone in this entire creation. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I humbly request you to show me your most pleasant form so that I can be always at peace and be connected to you and be devoted to you forever. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यास महर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 197th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna and other Gopalas, they are all eating their own food. Krishna sat in the center and around him all the Gopalas are sitting. How is that Krishna looking? Bibhradvenum jatarapatayoho. He tied one cloth around his waist and he tucked his flute into that cloth. Shrungavetre chakakshe vame panau. Then he has one stick which can drive the cows and calves, and he has another instrument by which he can make some sounds. Both of those things he kept under his left arm. Masruna kavalam tat phalani angulishu. In his left hand, left palm, the curd rice is there. Curd is very thick and that rice, bowl of rice is there in his left palm. And then he is also having Tishtan Madhye, he is sitting over there and he has Masruna Kavalam Tat Phalani Angulishu. He also has some pieces of fruits and pickles set up in the centers of the fingers. In the palm, there is curd rice. Now he is sitting in the center. Around him there are Gopalas. Swapari Suhrudaha. There are Gopalas sitting around him. He is talking to them and also Hasayan Narmabhihi Svaihi. While making so many jokes, he is making everybody laugh and then now Krishna is bubhuje. Like that he is eating his food. Svarge loke mishati. From heaven, all the devatas are looking at such a wonderful, shocking, beautiful scene. And while all of them are getting surprised, wondered to see that Krishna along with Gopalas, he is bubhuje, he is eating. Who is he? Who is Krishna? Yajna Bhuk, the one who receives only the oblations which are offered into the yajnas. Such supreme Paramatma, to show his child activities, to show his child miraculous actions, he is now eating along with Gopalas. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 45th sloka. Adrushta Purvam Hrushitosmi Društva. Bhayena cha pravyadhitam mano me. Tadeva me darshaya deva rupam. Prasida devesha jagannivasa. Adrushta purvam hrushitosmi društva. Bhayena cha pravyadhitam mano me. Tadeva me darshaya deva rupam. Prasida devesha jagannivasa. Srimannarayana. करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।